Welcome to Next Level English. In today's video, we're tackling the ultimate TOEFL grammar quiz with 40 challenging MCQs. Ready to put your English skills to the test? Let's get started. 1. Identify the grammatically correct sentence. There are many books on the shelf. Tips: use many with countable nouns and are with plural subjects. 2. Which sentence is correct? If I had known, I would have acted differently. Tips: use had for the past perfect in third conditional. 3. She bought apple from the market. Un. Tips: use in before vowel sounds. 4. A book right now. Am reading. Tips: use present continuous for actions happening now. 5. Identify the correct sentence. He is better than anyone. Tips: use better instead of best for comparisons. 6. He is interested, learning new languages. In. Tips: use interested in for preferences. 7. Select the correct sentence. She has been working for 3 hours. Tips: use for with durations and since with specific times. 8. Which sentence is correct? The children are playing outside. Tips: use are with the plural noun children. 9. He has been to London 5 times. Already. Tips: use already with present perfect. 10. She was tired to continue. Two. Tips: use to mean excessively. 11. This book is, then that one. Better. Tips: better is the comparative of good. 12. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She is more intelligent than her brother. Tips: use more for adjectives with 2 or more syllables. 13. Which sentence uses the correct tense? They were studying when I called. Tips: use past continuous for ongoing past actions. 14. She is the person I know. Friendliest. Tips: use friendliest when comparing 3 or more. 15. Select the correct sentence. I have visited Paris twice. Tips: use twice for 2 times. 16. They didn't. The meeting yesterday. Attend. Tips: use attend after didn't. 17. The boy who is sitting in the back, my brother. Is. Tips: uses with the singular noun boy. 18. Which sentence is correct? She speaks French better than me. Tips: use better than to compare skills. 19. Select the right sentence. Neither he nor I was at the party. Tips: use was with I after neither or nor. 20. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She has been studying all day. Tips: use present perfect continuous for ongoing actions. 21. Choose the correct sentence. If I were you, I would have studied harder. Tips: use were in hypothetical situations. 22. Which sentence uses the correct form of the verb? She went to the store yesterday. Tips: use past tense for completed actions. 23. Choose the correct sentence. I have read the book before. Tips: put never before the verb in present perfect. 24. Which of the following is grammatically correct? Neither the teacher nor the students were happy with the results. Tips: use were when both subjects after nor are plural. 25. Choose the sentence with the correct preposition. She is interested in learning French. Tips: use interested in to show desire to learn. 26. Which sentence is correct? She didn't say anything. Tips: use base verb after didn't. 27. Which sentence is correct? He would have gone if he had been invited. Tips: use would have for imagined past events. 28. Which sentence is correct? She can play the piano very well. Tips: use base verb after modal verbs like can. 29. Which sentence is grammatically correct? He would rather read than watch TV. Tips: rather takes the base form of the verb. 30. Which sentence is correct? The book is more interesting than the movie. Tips: use more to compare two things. 31. Choose the correct sentence. I would have gone to the party if I had known about it. Tips: use third conditional for past hypotheticals. 32. Which sentence is grammatically correct? He has been working at the company for 5 years. Tips: use for duration and since for time points. 33. Which sentence is correct? I can't believe you had already left when I arrived. Tips: use had already for earlier past actions. 34. Choose the correct form of the word. He speaks more clearly than me. Tips: use more clearly when comparing adverbs. 35. Which sentence is correct? Neither of the two answers is correct. Tips: neither takes a singular verb like is. 36. Which sentence is correct? He didn't enjoy the movie, did he? Tips: in tag questions, repeat the auxiliary verb. 37. Which sentence is correct? If I had seen him, I would have said hi. Tips: use past perfect in third conditionals. 38. Which sentence is correct? She has been working here for 5 years. Tips: for is for duration, since is for time points. 39. Which sentence is correct? I wish I knew the answer to that question. Tips: use I wish with the past tense for unreal events. 40. Which sentence is grammatically correct? He talks too much and annoys me. Tips: use talks with he or she in present simple. How did you do? Share your score in the comments below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more TOEFL prep and English tips. Keep practicing, see you in the next one.